you every day, just how he wants you to give it away. That's what you're giving.